let's make an Easter cake. First, preheat the oven to 180 degrees fan, 200 degrees or gas mark 6. Grease your loose bottomed cake tins, then beat together the butter and the sugar. Add the eggs in one at a time, beating well between each addition. Add the rest of the cake ingredients and fold in gently. Pour into the cake tins and smooth out. Then pop in the oven for 20 minutes. They should spring back when lightly pressed. Remove the cakes from the tin and leave them to cool. If you made 2 individual cakes, now you can spread the lemon curd on one of them and sandwich one on top of the other. Beat together the butter and icing sugar and add small amounts of food colouring, but make it as bright as you like. Add enough of the milk to make the buttercream spreadable and then spread over your cooled cakes. Decorate on top with crushed flakes and eggs and anything else Eastery you can think of. Enjoy!